So it's always interesting when you start working and you observe what's happened. So here we have a staple just driven right in as hard as they could, I guess, compromising the sheathing. Now, fortunately for me, it's only a 2 wire, so I'd be taking it out anyways. And that's what I'm starting to do along through here, is just remove all the staples. I noticed a couple other places that they had spliced the wire together. It wasn't noticeable because it was black wire with a black tape. And then there was another spot where they did a 3-way splice. That was obvious. I had cut that one earlier. I'd seen that one years ago. I didn't want anybody thinking they were going to hook that up. And then we have this up here, which is kind of interesting. Got a lot going on there. So all that's disconnected, and we'll be removing all that and straightening that out. And then I noticed over here, I forgot that I had a hole here. So I had some granite pieces that have been chipping off and just stuff I don't need or want. I'm going to just break it up and shove it in there, and then I'm going to concrete this thing right solid. But I need to fill that in. So I have some concrete pieces or granite pieces I'll throw in there. And just use a stick to keep shoving them down, and then at some point it'll be all concrete. I'll concrete the whole hole. And that's what I need to do. I mean, that's going to be some foundation work, is cleaning up and doing some concrete work, but that'll be a later time. I've seen some really nice work people have done. So I need to either do it or, well, I need to do it myself. The part I wasn't sure about is how do you clean all this paint off? So, or do you not worry about it? I mean, maybe you chip away and then concrete. I mean, places like this right here. I wish they didn't paint it, but they did. Down here it came off, but up there it's still solid. Okay, back to the wiring and removing. I'm going to just start removing stuff. I thought I'd just focus on the one, but I need to just remove all the bad wires. Or at least get them so I can start pulling good wire through. Like here we have a good wire and a tube wire here, so one needs to be replaced. So not sure why there's two going up the same hole, but we'll figure it out. Maybe one to one side, one to the other side. Okay, back at it.